This is the 6th grade potluck.
6 hour.
Nope, 6th grade.
Girl,
Bodie bait.
Robot bubbler and it's amazing. Hold on.
Guys, I think one person's
Look at that.
gonna get shorted on a bubbler.
What are you filming? Look at this.
I'm making a YouTube video.
That's something to say. Ms. Byers is a pretty good teacher.
Making a video. You doing any driver's ed?
Yeah. Boring as hell.
Yeah.
Dude, they're identical.
Hello to this guy.
Hola. Hola.
This guy. Oh, that one.
Not so Sigma. Not so Sigma. Not so Sigma. Lost all his aura tripping over my foot.
I don't know why your leg is like that.
I was like,
You got weird legs.
I was laying out in the hallway. He just came walking up to me, started talking.
I've been
He's like,
watching Grown Up, obviously. 'Cause
What is that?
eat it.
What is it? Oh, it's a pretzel thing.
Yeah. Eat it.
Oh,
Eat it. That's a little too close there, bud.
I'm making a video. Okay, we're getting a tour by Kiro. What we have
Wait.
with the potluck. Oh, sorry.
Okay, pretzels,
Pretzels. Love.
meatballs.
Throw us the meatballs. We gotta be quiet. We gotta be quiet, bro. Quiet. We got cookies. We got cookies. And we got a plate. Chips.
You should know plenty about that. You were born during a prohibition.
Cookies. And then these. What are those? I don't know. Excuse me? They're dirt cups, bro. They're dirt cups. What are you doing? What are you doing?
No, Mr. Taylor said that I got study for the big fight. Big fight. You me. You just keep handing me books. Oh.
All right, we're out. 6th grade is, 6th hour is like done. Why is the camera like that?
I can't finish. Wait.